In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix sound or audio problems on your Windows. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is the basic one. Click on the audio icon right here on your taskbar, and then you have to make sure that this is not muted from here. If this is muted, simply unmute this, and you can increase the volume by increasing or moving the slider to the desired volume that you want. So that's the basic thing that we need to do. Then for the next method, click on the start button, and here you have to go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left, then you have to simply click on system, scroll down, and then we need to look for sound. Okay, then you have to scroll down and you'll find this option, more sound settings. Click on that. Now here for the playback, make sure that your speaker is set as the default device. Click on that and you'll find this option right here, set default. Then click on properties. Now click on the advanced tab. And then here you just need to simply click on this drop down arrow and you can simply choose the last option. And then you can test it. Okay. And then once you test it, let me show it to you. Once you test it, you can see that there is a green bar right here moving. Or if this is not working for you, the last option, you can simply choose any option from here and see as to what option right here will work for you. And if you have the enhancement tab right here, make sure to disable all enhancements. Again, make sure to disable all the enhancements and then click on the levels tab. Make sure that also this is not muted from here and click on apply and click on OK, and then you have to click on OK again. Still in the settings window, you have to click on system, then scroll down and you need to look for troubleshoot. You'll find other troubleshooters, click on that. And here you'll find audio with the run button corresponding to it, so run the audio troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue and will also automatically fix the issue for you. So run the audio troubleshooter. Next method, make a right click at the start button and here you have to select device manager. Here in the device manager window, you need to simply locate sound, video, and game controllers. Here you'll find your audio driver. So I have Realtek audio driver. Make a right click and then select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here if you have more than one available drivers on your computer, just simply choose the latest version and click on next. Now, Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close everything from here and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.